We now have more information on the DJI Air 2S, which leaked a few weeks ago. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss anything. Before we jump into the news, I just want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. If you are a YouTuber and you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out TubeBuddy. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. My link is in the description below, so definitely make sure to check that out. In a new article from Drone XL, we're getting a new look at the DJI Air 2S, which is expected to rival the Mavic 2 Pro. We even see a picture of what the camera is going to look like, and we can see that it has a 1-inch sensor. This has been a rumor now for a little bit, but now it's looking like it's going to be true, which is very interesting considering that this will directly rival the Mavic 2 Pro. The camera on the Air 2S will not be Hasselblad's color technology. This is instead being reserved for the Mavic 3, which is expected to come out at some point later this year or even early next year. The 1-inch sensor on the Air 2S will allow the drone to capture 20 megapixel photos, much like the Mavic 2 Pro, and you'll also be able to capture 4K at 60 frames per second. There's no word yet if we're gonna be able to shoot in 10-bit on the Air 2S, but my personal guess is probably no, since this is more of a pro feature. DJI has not updated the Mavic 2 Pro since 2018 when it originally came out. So this new Air 2S is definitely gonna give the 2 Pro a run for its money. It is also confirmed that the DJI Air 2S will feature ADS-B, which if you've been flying the newer DJI drones, this is the technology that basically allows you to see if there's manned aircraft in the area in which you are flying. The drone will also have silent propellers, you know, probably still able to hear them, but maybe some different technology that makes them a little bit more quieter. Obstacle avoidance sensors will be in the front, top, and back of the drone. Drone XL is also confident that these sensors will be on the bottom of the drone, but aren't sure whether it'll be on the sides of the drone. This will probably be reserved for the Mavic 3. And something we already know, based off of these photos, it's definitely gonna be called the Air 2S. So it wasn't the biggest leak, but it definitely gave us a lot of key information about this new drone, and it's very exciting to see it. And it looks like, according to this leak, your Mavic 2 Pro is still gonna be the Pro model drone, but overall you are gonna get Pro features with this drone at a Mavic Air 2 price. According to what I've seen, the price is probably gonna be in the same ballpark that it is right now, which I believe is around $700, $800, which is definitely affordable for most people, making this upgrade huge. And the Drone XL article brings up a great point that camera technology has changed a lot since 2018. So even though it won't have Hasselblad's technology, even though it may not shoot 4K 10-bit video, it's still gonna be an insanely amazing drone for the price. And it will open the door for people that don't wanna spend Mavic 2 Pro money to get a drone that is really pro grade, that you could really do decent work with. Not even just decent, great work. A 1-inch sensor is everything. You're letting more light into the camera and you're able to capture a way better looking picture and way better looking video. According to the rumors, we should see this drone within the next few weeks. I'm thinking we're gonna see it this month in April, just based off of the leaks alone. What we saw with the last 2 drone releases, which was the DJI FPV and also the DJI Mini 2, we saw that these drones were having crazy leaks right before they were released. So I'm thinking we're actually gonna see this drone, or at least an announcement for it, in the next 2 weeks. I could be wrong, that's my personal guess, but based off of all these rumors that are coming out, all the hype around the drone, it just seems to me like it's right around the corner. I personally fly the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and I have no plans on getting the Air 2S. I know I said that literally about the DJI FPV and the Mini 2, but those are an entirely different ballpark than the Mavic 2 Pro. Whereas this drone is definitely gonna be very similar to the Mavic 2 Pro, and I don't really see the need to buy this drone. I'm really waiting for the Mavic 3, which we should be expecting, like I said earlier in the video, either this summer or sometime early next year, in between that time frame. But overall, I'm wondering what you guys think about the Air 2S. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you gonna be getting it? Are you excited for it? It's definitely gonna be a great upgrade to the Air 2, so it's very exciting. Definitely even for me, even though I'm not planning on getting it. I'm still excited to see how it's gonna shoot video and how it's gonna shoot photos. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.